Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I am doing a pour over on this guy. The center was awful, just awful. So this is my base paint and it's nice and thin. And what I did was I took some drips that I had left over and I just added a little bit of some house paint that I had laying around. And I make sure I tinted it with this, just to get the right color. I did add some satin enamels to it and of course some water. I'm sure that there is a lot of stuff in there. So like there's Floetrol and satin enamels and all kinds of stuff. So my color tonight, color? Yes, one color. It's about three or four different kinds of gold. There it is. Isn't it luscious? So I am going, this is, part of it was DecoArt Metallics in 24 karat gold. There's only a little bit of that. I have two different Modern Masters golds. One is Pharaoh's gold and the other one is iridescent gold. One is semi-opaque, one is sheer. That's why I added the 24 karat for extra insurance. Okay. So we are going to flood our canvas now. I have prepped it. I put some Artist Loft. Flow acrylic white. That's going to be a lot of paint. And I'm just going to tilt this around, get it all covered. I don't know if this is going to work. I did one last night with some house paint that I had laying around. It did react. However, the composition was crap. I can show it to you, but and I do have a video, but I don't know if I'm going to publish it because I just really don't like it. Really don't like it. Yeah, we're just trying to get that off. We don't want too much paint on. When you get too much paint on, you end up with troubles later. So, looks like we got some good coverage here, making sure I've got paint all along my edges. And swish, swish. All the bubbles. And I am just going to dump it and swirl it. And hopefully I'm sure that's going to be enough paint. And here we go. If it's not, I can always add more. Look at all that paint. Ooh! I do want some negative space. It's a lot of bubbles. It's really selling up. Ooh, I like it. I see a couple of snags in the paint here. All right. I think I ended up putting a little bit of Arteza ochre, and that was an afterthought, so I might have a couple of chunks of paint hanging there. Yep, that's one of them. That's one of them. And that's one of them. Yeah, it's always best. Wow, look at that, guys. Wondering if I should put more down. What the heck? Yeah, all the chunks were at the bottom. Oh boy. And I'm going to remove those. Cool. I like this. Monochromatic. It's all lacing. It's beautiful. Don't know if I'm going to be messing with this one at all. I like it the way it is. Of course, you know me. There's a bubble, there's a bubble. All right. Piece of paint. All right, I'm gonna put it on time lapse, but quite frankly, wow. I almost feel like it needs something more. I don't know. I think I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it for now. Let me torch it, and I'll be back. It's a lot better than it was. Hi guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys caught that, but yeah, I had a save, I guess, but something fell off my shelf and kind of messed things up. But this is a lot better than what I had underneath of it. So I learned a few things with this. I think the paint that I dumped down needs to be thicker, although you do see the lacing, you know, but it's kind of faint. It's very faint, but there's lacing all over the place. We'll have to see how it looks tomorrow. I don't know. I think I see a bug. I'll have to fish him out. So I'm really happy with the two tones. And I had to add extra because it was like eating the base paint was eating this color up. And then when I had that fall, I just added some golden iridescent gold, fine, but it was the high flow. And so I've got two tones of gold in there, which is kind of nice. I like that. Anyhow, this is my experiment for the night. Please be safe and create, and please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.